No, come here. I want to sit this side. I want to sit this side.
I want to say yeah.
I want to sit this side though from you.
1, 2, 3. Hi.
No, I don't know.
1, 2, 3. Hi.
I'm going to say it's like hello. And
So.
hello, YouTuber. YouTuber. Hey, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
What do I say?
Hey. Hi.
How you doing?
How are you
doing?
Oh, come on.
Speak about the devil.
Hey, guys.
Hi. As you may know, in Switzerland, certain time of the year,
It's snowy.
and sometimes it's sunny.
This is the Weather Channel. Back to you, Jet. Okay. Okay, I'll do. Yeah. Okay.
Firecrackers. Firework, aka firecracker, is bad boy.
The first firework that I bought is firecracker.
Crack crack. The firecracker. I'm gonna say it. To say how you want
Firecracker.
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 Recipe. Fire sticks. Fire wand.
The first
Fire sparkle sticks.
Fire sparkle sticks. Fire wands or no fire sticks.
Fire sticks.
Sparkle sticks. Sparkle stick sounds pretty.
Yeah. Sounds pretty.
Shut up.